In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly import assets from another Blender project into your current one. Whether it's a complete character rig, individual meshes, or specific materials, this guide will walk you through the entire process, ensuring you know exactly how to incorporate these elements into your work smoothly. To begin, you'll want to have your current Blender project open, which means opening the .blend file you wish to import assets into. Once your project is up and running, head over to the top menu and click on File. From the drop-down menu, select Append. Appending is a powerful feature in Blender that allows you to pull data from other .blend files into your current scene, essentially letting you merge elements you've created in separate projects. Next, you'll need to locate the .blend file you wish to draw assets from. Navigate through your folders until you find it, then double-click on the file to open it. Inside, you'll see a series of folders, each representing different data types contained within that file, such as collections and objects. Depending on what you intend to import, you'll want to choose accordingly. If you're looking to import a full rigged character or model that's been organized into a collection, click on the Collections folder. This keeps complex models grouped logically, making it easier to manage them once they're within your project. On the other hand, if you need to bring in individual meshes, head to the Objects folder. Blender offers flexibility, allowing you to also import other data, like materials and lights, from here if needed. With the relevant folder opened, browse through and locate the collection or object you wish to append. Click to select it and then press the Append button. This action will integrate the chosen element into your current scene. Do note that if you append an object that isn't part of a collection, Blender places it at the origin point of your scene by default. While this is a convenient starting location, you might want to relocate the object to better suit your project's needs. To reposition an object, use the handy shortcut Shift+S, and from the subsequent menu, choose Selection to Cursor. This command will move the object to wherever your 3D cursor is situated, giving you precise control over its placement. Importing elements like this can streamline your workflow by enabling you to build on prior work without starting from scratch each time. By understanding the append function, you're well on your way to becoming more proficient with Blender, enhancing both your efficiency and your creative possibilities. With this newly acquired skill, you'll be able to craft more intricate and detailed scenes by effortlessly pulling together your best assets from across various projects. Enjoy experimenting with this feature and seeing how it can transform your workflow.